This video is all POV from the inside pretty much. I'm going to get an outside comparison video. It's going to be recorded within the next week. And then after that, I'm going to put 2 mufflers on it, the Black Widow mufflers. So it'll be a full exhaust and I'll get that recording. So a couple videos coming up, stay tuned. It's the very last day that I'm gonna have these straight pipes. The cats are going on today. They're going on within like the next 2 hours. I have my cats right here, as y'all can see. And I'm going to be running catback, true dual catback straights. So it's gonna be true duals and it's gonna be catback straights. And yeah, I'll record when I get it going to the shop. I'll record when it's out the shop and I'll be back with y'all soon. But granted, I don't know what it's gonna be like with the fucking cats on, but when I had catback straights on my Tahoe, that shit was hella quiet. But this fucking engine has a lot more compression, so we'll see. Well, once this light turns green, it's gonna be one of my last pulls with the pipes. I mean, I'm going to the shop right now. The shop's this direction, the muffler shop's that direction, but they're like 5 minutes apart. And yep. Truck's going into the shop. Rest in peace to the cats. I'll be back when they're put on. I said rest in peace to the cats. I meant rest in peace to the straight pipes. Well, my truck's back at the shop. I didn't record it, me pulling it out, because it was too busy, too many people, but the cats are officially back on the truck. And to be honest, catback straights is kind of the way to go. It's a quiet startup, quiet at low RPMs, but mid to high RPMs. You can definitely tell that it's straight pipes, but it's cool. I'll give you all a little representation. All right, so everything's warm right now, like engine's warm, everything's up to temp. You see how much quieter it is? So, cat, they got put back on, all new piping, because beforehand there was no cats and it was just true dual straights all the way back. So all it was piping. Good compression. Good, decent compression. It's the end of the day. Engine and trans is probably still mildly warm because it's only been a couple hours. It's not gonna be a true cold start till tomorrow morning. But to get a little representation, this is gonna be the second time I've heard it with the cats. Definitely a lot more toned down. True dual catback straights finally on the truck. So, yep, here's what it sounds like. It's a lot quieter. It's a lot more toned out. I like it because it's pretty mellow on the startups, and it's really mellow and low RPMs. But mid to high RPMs, you can tell that it's a catback straights. It's better than it was before though, because that shit was obnoxious before. I honestly thought I would be disappointed, but I'm actually pretty happy with the result. So that's cool. All right, mid-range in the RPM band. All right, now we're gonna floor it. Catback straights. Alright, well, everything's still cold, so I just do that normal driving right now, but yeah. Engine's cold, trans is cold. Well, engine's warming up a little bit, but majority of everything is cold. But, yep. Man, that fucking marsh smells like rotten eggs right now. Nasty. But it's a beautiful 7:30 in the morning on the Sullivan's Island. For the catback straight videos, here's some revs. Now my truck only goes up to 4,000 RPMs and it has a rev limiter. Damn, that fucking backfire is crazy. Holy shit. I did not expect it to fucking snap, crackle, and... This is the outro to the video. These next couple clips are of me going half throttle and full throttle, but I recorded with the phone upwards for whatever reason. I don't know, I wasn't thinking. So anyways, stay tuned for future content. I'm gonna have the Black Widow muffler coming in, and I'm gonna have a full exhaust put on it. Might put an X-pipe on it, might not, I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's the whole point of the Black Widow, is the X-pipe design on the inside of the dual in, dual out mufflers. I could be wrong. But anyways, stay tuned for future content. Have more stuff, more content of the four-wheelers eventually during the summer. I'm gonna have more river content. So anyways, y'all stay tuned. Quarter throttle, catback straights.